Well, it's officially the holiday season, and everyone waits for a Vintage Flea's holiday market. And I'm with Kathy, and it's like this has become such a stop place to come and get gifts and ideas.
Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, we're really excited about how much we've grown in the 4 years that we've been going.
So how did you start? Like, how many vendors did you have that first year?
Well, we started with 20 vendors, and I like to say that I was related to half of them. And then we're up to 86 vendors for this market.
That's incredible. So are there different categories of vendors that come?
Yeah, our byline is that we're antique, vintage, repurposed, and handcrafted. And this is not your normal holiday bazaar. So these are artisans and crafters and makers and designers and just...
So not just people who make stuff.
Oh yeah, no, definitely. There's antique dealers. There's
right.
people that make their living by going to different sales and different other markets where they go and they acquire things that are fabulous, and they bring them here, clean them up, and find you just wonderful treasures for you.
So you have a couple different things that you're talking about, and so I like definitions. So what is vintage? Can you explain that?
So vintage right now is like the catchphrase. So it's what everybody wants to be into, and then what it normally is, its actual definition is usually anything that's 50 years old.
Oh, okay, so I'm vintage.
Yeah, exactly, me too, right? So vintage right now is like 1970.
Okay,
so, you know,
that's
we're
fun
talking the
stuff.
avocado green and that gold.
Harvest gold?
Yeah, harvest gold, and no, we
But
definitely
cool
aren't.
stuff,
No,
yes.
but cool stuff.
Yeah.
Bar sets, the chrome, the things from the 50s
Yeah,
and the
yeah,
60s.
okay.
People that the baby boomers love because that's the stuff we
Right,
remember
right.
from our childhoods,
Definitely.
right? Yeah.
And then what's antique?
And antique is 100 years or
Oh,
older.
not me.
Yeah,
Not you.
not quite. No, not me. I mean, no, yeah. No, so anything 100 years or older, so we're talking the turn of the last century, the century before this.
Okay, and then repurpose. What is that kind of things?
Repurposed is, okay, so say that your neighbor has a big old 150-year-old barn,
Okay.
and you're thinking, oh man, I hate to see all that great wood go to the dump or be burned. So I'm gonna go over there and I'm going to go over there and I'm going to take it down piece by piece, and then I'm going to take it home, haul it home, get all the dirt off of it, plane it down, sand it, paint it, stain it, and I'm going to turn it into something fabulous. Are you going to do that?
No, just laughing because I'm not.
I know, right? Me neither. But these people do. Yeah. So they come and they come with those beautiful signs, home furniture.
It's cool.
They
It
just
really is fun.
yeah.
I love making planters out of them. That's my favorite thing to do.
Perfect. Yeah.
And so when we come here, is it free?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Yeah, all day, 9 to 5 on Saturday here today, and it's free parking, it's free admission. We have food vendors. You could really stay all day, peruse. You wouldn't have to buy anything, although, you know, we'd really like it if
It'd be
you
really
would.
nice, yeah.
Yeah, and then have lunch and just stick around.
Wonderful. And then where can we find out more information?
Go to our website, avintageflea.com.
It's so much fun here. You'll get so much of your shopping done and get some lots of ideas to decorate your porches for the holidays. So go to Garden Time and we'll click you over to their website, and you can come out today and have a blast. Thanks so much.
Thank you.